Alright, today I'm going to show you these super cool LED lights that come with an app and a remote. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending them to me. I have adjustments, infinity adjustments, lots of different styles that I can have them working. I installed them around the top of my bench here, so I'll give you a little bit more detail about how that worked. They're LED lights, they dance and strobe and have millions of colors and everything else. There's an app that goes along with them. They're easy to install, from what I understand. There's two 50-feet rolls. There's a little AC adapter, a little switch that you plug the lights into and the AC adapter into, a remote, and an app. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending this to me so I can do an install and really show you how they work, how cool and fun they are. I've had friends that have had them and they just love them. So nice thin, super thin strip LED with self-stick adhesive on them. So we're going to go out and find a really fun spot to install them and get the app going. But as far as I understand, there's two rolls of 50 and there's just self-stick tape here. So I pull this off and just start sticking them down. Alright, so I just got these lights installed and it's actually really pretty cool. I hope I can get you to see this app if it will focus. Strobe, static blue, static green, cyan. There's all kinds of different 7-color strobe, flash, it'll go to that. Another thing, you can go to the mic, and so as I'm talking, it will respond. And so you can listen to music and it will respond. You can actually play music. And it'll react with that. So we've got an app and we've got a remote. But the little thing that I plugged it in is just right here. And I ran it all the way along my bench and all the way down along the bottom. And it's just really kind of fun. I'll turn it back to another jumping colors. And you can turn it to fade high, fade low, fade everything. You can adjust the color exactly. Turn it to purple, red, classic, yellow, white. I mean, we're just changing colors and playing with it. But anyway, easy to install. I just double stick taped on and it went all the way down my bench and along the floor of my bench at 50 feet. Super cool. I got another one I can do my other bench in the back of my shop.